Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Multi Squad. This is the Velvet Locks in the kitchen with another wonderful pineapple breakfast smoothie. Now, I know I've been making pineapple smoothies for weight loss, but you can pretty much drink those in the morning, use them as meal replacements. But this one is specifically a breakfast smoothie. There's also a pre and post workout smoothie, so you can drink this before going to work out as well as after you finish working out. This is awesome for weight loss. It's powerful. It's high in fiber. It's going to boost your metabolism up. It's going to give you that energy that you need. And it's going to burn that fat, okay? It's going to shrink down that belly fat. So let me show you exactly how to make this powerful pineapple breakfast smoothie. In this video, I will be working with my full-size blender. And the first ingredient that I'm going to be adding to my blender is 2 pitted dates. I'm also going to add 1 whole banana. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of pineapple chunks. Now, if you don't have pineapples, you can substitute this with 1 cup of kiwis. Now I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of rolled oats. What you can do is add some water to the oats on the side and soak them for 10 minutes before adding them to your blender. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sliced almonds. If you have regular almonds, that's fine too. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my flax seeds. Next ingredient, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder. Now today's milk, I will be using 2 cups of one of my favorite milks, and that's my oat milk. But you can add in your almond milk or whatever your favorite low-calorie milk is. Now I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of my ginger powder. Okay, now it's time to blend this up. Now I'm going to pour this in my Big Mama mug and enjoy my breakfast smoothie. For more flavor, you can also add in 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg to give this a wonderful taste. This is really good. You're going to enjoy this. And like I said, this is a powerful smoothie that's going to help you to lose 30 pounds in 30 days. You drink this on an empty stomach in the morning as a breakfast substitute, and it is so delicious. You're going to love it. Not only is it flavorful, but it's going to burn that fat and slim down your stomach. So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And also check down below my eBay store for wonderful herbs and tonics for weight loss, as well as wonderful herbal honeys. And check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you'll get hair care, skincare, beauty care, and much more, okay? So until the next video, you guys, I will see you then.
Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.